Hello everybody, welcome to Totally Primal. I'm Dave, and today I'm here with Tom. We're in Shawano and we're at Performance Food Service. Formerly known as Reinhardt, Performance Food Service is the second largest food distributor in the country. And they are right here in Shawano. They cover all of Northeast Wisconsin and some of the UP, and of course, they're all across the US. So we're very glad to be here today. They carry some of our products, and we're gonna show those to you today. So what do we have here today, Tom?
Today we're going to talk about our Primal smoked salmon products. Maple syrup brine smoked salmon, the perfect amount of smoke, and a little hint of sweetness from the maple syrup brine just separate this from the competition.
What makes the salmon so special?
I talk about this as a chef, that if I make you shrimp scampi and you say, boy, I really like the garlic in there, there's probably too much garlic in there. It's supposed to be a marriage of all the flavors. That's what they got done here. You got a hint of sweetness, you got the right amount of smoke, and you got the salmon flavor coming through, and the combination just works beautifully. Dave has built a beautiful salad here.
Thank you so much, Tom.
And there may be a future in food service for you.
I just may have a chance after all.
So we're gonna take this smoked salmon and
what a nice vacuum sealed package too.
well, people eat with their eyes first, and look at that.
Oh.
That's just beautiful. So we're gonna take some little bias slices here, and we're gonna show you how to take that. This salmon is not just something to butt up to a cracker.
Right, yeah, I mean, why not do something more exciting with it?
Absolutely. So now, taking the subtlety of these flavors, added with the mixed greens, and the combination with, I recommend like a balsamic vinaigrette. At the restaurant, we serve it with cherry balsamic vinaigrette, and people absolutely love the finished product. We're gonna show you another application. We're gonna make some Alfredo sauce. In Italy, this would be known as alla panna. One of the easiest sauces you can make. We're melting the butter in here right now.
Now, would you use like a 2% milk, whole milk, or is heavy cream the way to go?
Heavy cream's the only way to go.
Yeah, I see you have Asiago here.
Yeah, I started using this years ago because it's a little bit better meltability and just a little bit more subtlety in the flavor.
Sure.
So you get, again, more of a marriage of the flavors. So we've got the butter melting in here. We're gonna add the garlic.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite smells. Butter, garlic.
Hard to beat. We're gonna let that simmer.
Yeah, bring it all up. Yep.
We're gonna add the heavy cream.
Oh, there it goes.
Beautiful. There's so many complex sauces and so many layers of ingredients that a lot of sauces take. Some of the best sauces in the world are just the simplest.
All right, so it looks like our sauce is starting to thicken up here,
It sure
Tom.
is. It's absolutely
it looks wonderful.
Beautiful silky sauce, and we're gonna add the Asiago. Let that all melt in there nicely. Now we're gonna add smoked salmon.
You can add as little or as much as you'd like, I would assume.
You can. The thing is, one of the beautiful things about this maple syrup brine salmon and the delicate flavors that are married together is that it really works for this kind of thing because it doesn't overwhelm the sauce. So the finished product works well together.
So it doesn't taste real fishy.
It doesn't.
Because that's one thing I know about our smoked salmon product. It does not have that flavor that really turns some people off. Like you said, the marriage of all of the different flavors makes it something that really could work for anybody.
So we're gonna just flake off a little bit more of this to put over the top. Sauce is ready. Beautiful.
Look how savory that looks. That is amazing. Fresh parsley?
Fresh parsley.
Fresh parsley.
And just a little hint of the shredded Asiago over the top. And we're gonna put a little bit more of the smoked salmon.
Wonderful.
Right over the top.
That's a 5-star meal right there.
Looks good enough to eat, doesn't it?
All right, so here we have it. Our dishes are all put together. And Tom, that looks like something you would get in a 5-star restaurant.
Absolutely. Anybody can make Alfredo sauce, and anybody can make a salad. But taking smoked salmon and taking it to another whole level, that's totally Primal.
It's totally Primal. And like you said earlier in the show, it's not something that just goes on a cracker anymore.
Absolutely.
The versatility behind this product, I mean, it seems like there's no end to it.
It'll stand on its own, and it's an amazing ingredient to take things to another level.
I can't say enough about it. Thanks for joining us this time on Totally Primal. I'm Dave, this is Tom, and we can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day. Good? I like it. All right. Let's wrap on that second.
Have at her, boys.
Isaac, is it approving? Are we good? Am I keeping it sucked in?